lift your tailgate up, and now you can get the access to the spare tire. So you're going to lift up this hidden compartment, and right there shows you the spare tire. You can use a 19mm socket, or you can access your jack, which is located right there, and it's the same as your lug nut handle or wrench. And go counterclockwise, and it will start to lower that tire. So now you're gonna get underneath it. I'll tilt it up so it takes the pressure off of that, and pull this piece out. Tilt it sideways, like so. Just like that. And away she goes. You have 4 mounting bolts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's a 13mm socket. Take them all down. Hold it on the last one. So now we're going to take the new one. Make sure you put that bolt right through that tubing that goes up into the cab area on the back seat trunk. I'm going to hand start one of the 4. And I'll move up to the front side. Now I'm going to take my 13mm socket and snug them all up. It's going to go crisscross. Then lift the tire up. Pull it through the same way you lift it up, and let it sit right in that center, just like that. The weight of the tire. So now you can raise it up. And on this one, we're going to go counterclockwise. So it's kind of reverse from the factory. Just keep a hold on it, and you can center it. Once you feel it hit the bottom out in a sense, you're going to just snug it up. So, reach underneath, grab it, pretty firm, give it 1/8 of a turn, you're all set. Don't forget to replace your lug wrench in the nice storage area. Lock it up.